Hey guys, it's Steve with My Honey's Handmade. Thanks for joining me. Today in the shop, I'm going to show you how I install these drawer slides. These slides are rated for 254 pounds each, or I think as the pair actually. Each tray is going to be holding about 150 pounds. So these are 3/4 inch thick slides. So let me know if you've ever done this before. If you have any questions, let me know. I'd be happy to answer some questions. Please like and subscribe.
So I wanted a 1/2 inch space underneath those drawer slides. So I just planed some 1/2 inch oak spacers. So I'm just pulling the end out and lining it up where I wanted it. I drill it with a center bit drill. I forget what they're called, but it centers the hole. Works really well. The next thing I'm doing is measuring from the top to get consistent spacing for my next set of drawer slides. So I do that and I mark it. Then I'm going to grab a saddle square. These things work really well. And I've marked this on the front of the cabinet as well. Now that tells me where I can use these Craig jig. These are cabinet slide jigs. These work really well. My Craig clamps do not work really well. And I only had one of the good clamps, so you have to make it work with what you have. I already installed the drawer slides, so now let's install the tray. I pulled the tray out too far. You want to pull it out just a little bit and mount your first screw like I'm showing you here.